Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have a quick unboxing video. Now, this is coming from Mark over at Long Island Watch. This is his new release. He has released three new watches, dress style watches, and this one in particular is the ISL 38, I believe, also known as the newly dubbed Islander Just. Somebody dubbed that. I don't know if it was Mark himself or a subscriber to his channel or someone who whatever. Somebody named it that. Wow, look at this. This looks awesome. Um, Now it is called the Islander just because of its resemblance, if any, to the Datejust, the Rolex Datejust. You do see here a fluted bezel on this one. They have another version, I believe the 36, that had the black dial that is the non-fluted, but the blue and this gray dial that he also has, the 39 or the 40. I apologize if I don't have those numbers correctly. Um, they um, they had the fluted bezel, and you can check out the cool stick hands here. Yeah, I mean a lot of reminiscent of a Datejust, minus the, of course, the magnifier here and all the heritage that goes with the Rolex and whatnot, the movement. This is powered by a Miyota, I believe, the 9015. Of course, I'll have all these details in the review. Let's see if I can get this on wrist real quick, just to give you guys a look. I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist. I believe the case diameter is 38. Wow, yeah, pretty good looking watch, I had to say. I'll throw in an outdoor shot because I really want to be able to capture the blue here because I think, this is a very nice shade of blue that Mark is using. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in and see you with a review of this one very, very soon.